If you want to know how to view a Prezi presentation, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and easy way. Whether you're opening a presentation from your dashboard or viewing it from inside the editor, Prezi has a unique zooming style that makes presenting feel more dynamic than traditional slides. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's start from the dashboard. First, log into your Prezi account and go to your dashboard. From there, find the presentation you want to view. Hover your mouse over the presentation thumbnail and you should see a play button appear. Click that play button to start viewing the presentation right away. This is the quickest way to open a Prezi project in presentation mode. Now, if you are already working inside the editor, there is another simple way to view your presentation. Look at the upper right corner of the screen and click the Present button. This will launch the presentation mode so you can see your Prezi exactly the way your audience would. It's a great option when you want to preview your work before sharing it. One thing that makes Prezi different from other tools is its zooming format. Instead of moving through static slides one by one, Prezi lets you zoom in and out of different topics and frames. That means viewing it is more interactive, and once you get used to it, it becomes very easy to navigate. To move forward in a presentation, you can press the right arrow key on your keyboard. You can also click the forward arrow on the screen if you prefer using your mouse. This moves you to the next part of the presentation and lets you continue through each section in order. If you need to go back, just press the left arrow key. You can also click the back arrow on the screen to return to the previous part of the presentation. This is especially useful if you want to review something again or if you accidentally move ahead too quickly. Another helpful feature in Prezi is the ability to jump directly into a specific section. If you see a frame or a planet topic bubble, you can click on it to instantly zoom into that section. This is one of the most useful parts of Prezi because it lets you focus on a specific topic without having to move through everything manually. And if you want to zoom back out to the main view, look for the home button on the right-hand menu. Clicking that will quickly take you back to the full presentation overview. This makes it easy to reset your view and move between detailed sections and the big picture. So just to recap, you can view a Prezi from your dashboard by clicking play or from inside the editor by clicking present. You can move forward with the right arrow key, move backward with the left arrow key, click directly on topic bubbles to zoom into sections, and use the home button to return to the overview. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.